Talk about these super cute little aprons. I've never had this on before.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I can't wait to tell you. All right, so let's talk about the apron while Mary Beth's wearing it. So I love what she did. She double tied it behind her back. I kind of brought it forward in front of mine.
Yeah.
The reason I designed this the way that I did is because I'm always slinging a towel over my shoulder or I'm looking for it constantly.
Yeah.
This actually comes off. So you don't have to. If you're using the towel and it gets dirty, you can literally take the towel right off and throw it right in the washing machine.
Smart.
And you don't have to worry about it, right?
I just love
you have
that
the
it
pocket,
has a towel on it.
Right?
I'm always reaching for a towel.
Of course.
Always.
So what's nice about it, you also have the pocket underneath. So if you're keeping like recipe cards in there or your iPad maybe because you have
glasses,
a recipe,
reading
your glasses,
glasses.
Of course. And then it's super easy to just button it on and off. It's got a long extension down. I tried to create this really for a size for everybody. Adjustable neck right up here, and then all the way down to the bottom it has that beautiful ruffle. Notice that the towels, everything coordinates in the color. It would have been super easy just to kind of throw all one color on here, but the fact that everything, all the accents, it just makes it beautiful. And first time we've ever combined it with our mitts. So now you have coordinated mitts with your apron ready to roll.
Go through the patterns.
Sure, let's do it. All right, so over here I have our buffetti. So how fun is this? Just if you wanted, maybe you don't go crazy decorating, but you have the cobwebs, you have all of the beautiful bats in detail, and then don't forget each one has its pocket and each one has its pair of gloves. Then we have what we call our classic. This is going to be our red. This has your old world and your floral lace all together, coordinated there. Next door to that's going to be your blue, and notice that everything's coordinating from the ruffle down on the bottom, the towel right there on the top, and then you have what I'm wearing, which is confetti. This is mixing and matching all of those great colors.
So cute.
Love the fact that we did it in Doodle Doo. Like everybody stops when they see this one. They love it. Like if you have that country chic, that farmhouse chic look, this is such a fun way. And the white towel, I don't know, it just pops it and makes it look absolutely beautiful.
Dynamite.
Then we have what you're wearing, which is our Believe. This has the humble bumblebee flying all around in that gorgeous honeycomb.
So cute.
So, and this comes with a little card that tells you all about the story of the humble bumblebee, if you're gifting it. And then, of course, you saw our pawfetti in our 2-quart bowl. This coordinates back, like you want to talk about a great gift for every animal lover on your list, like an apron with mitts. So perfect.
And again, you've got the mitts here, so you can put them in the pocket that's under the towel.
Yes, you can.
But I want to tell you something. It's sale priced right now. You're saving $5. It was $35, now less than $30. However, that price goes up at the end of the day.
Oh, I didn't know that.
The price goes up at the end of the day. So you look at these and you say, you know what? What do you get for the gal who has everything? You know, maybe that's your mother, your sister, maybe, you know, whoever it might be. You do something fun like this. Wouldn't this be fun if you've got like your little circle of your best girlfriends, there's 4 or 5 of you, and you each have one because you love to cook together. You know, this is just one of those things that hard to find anywhere else, but you've got it here and so thought out. Well, like every woman would want it.
Sure, and when you remove that towel, maybe you're still wearing the apron, you want it to be beautiful, so you still have that pattern right there, and then of course that great pocket that allows you to get in and out or
I'm gonna put my mitts in my pocket.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I love that.
I
might have a lip gloss in there, just true confessions.
Uh-oh, that's gonna look like, that looks like I got something else, like I got a bun in the oven, but I don't, believe me.
You're
All
hilarious.
Right, more temptations coming your way. We're going over there. All right. Oh, goodness. Please, those days are over, thank God.
Now you're onto grandkids.
Now I'm into grandkids.
Now you're in the fun part.
Somebody else gets to